So I was out the other day doing some photography for a music festival here in town. And there was a booth set up by these guys here. They're called Lakesiders, and they're a local Nova Scotia sunglass shop. Now, if you guys have seen, I have a fair bit of sunglasses. Don't necessarily need any more sunglasses. But one of the things that they had was, if you go to shop here on their page, is down here, this Topsiders tournament jersey. And of course, I was out in the sun all day, and it's hot. And when I'm riding my motorcycle as well, a lot of times I use like a buff, right? A little buff thing that comes up. And sometimes, maybe I'm not wearing all the gear that I want because it's way too hot. So have something that can be a little cooler, plus have some UV protection. I thought, maybe not a bad idea. So this here, Topsiders jersey, our signature tournament jersey, function and fashion. Elastic, lightweight fabric, breathes easy, like that, keeps you cool, love that. Quick dry technology, awesome, helps you stay dry. UPF 50 plus rated for optimum UV protection, super cool. And this is it here. Now here's the one thing that I'm not necessarily super excited about. So as you can see here, $40. Yes, $40, excluding GST, HST. I get it, right? I was at the festival, and I paid $45. So why is it that I actually come to your shop and talk to you? And I paid for this. I bought it. Saying that, hey, I'll probably put a little YouTube video, and you charge me more. $45. I could have went online and paid $40. Yeah, I don't. Now, on the flip side, I didn't have to pay for shipping, because shipping here, expensive. It's $25, and that's to ship, like, in Nova Scotia to Nova Scotia. Now, I don't know how much it's going to be somewhere else. So that seems a little high for sure. I could definitely I've shipped camera gear for less than $25. So this can fold up should be able to fold up really small, right? You can get free if you just go to, I don't even know if it's just his house or what, and pick it up, and then it's free, of course. But yeah, I was like, why is it 40 here and I paid 45, and I came to you at a show? That one, I'm just like, if anything, a lot of times when you go somewhere, you get a better price, not less of a deal. Anyways, I bought one. So this is it here. Now, I've put it on, and I have to say, I like it. That's it right there, right? Lakesiders. It's kind of nice. It's got like this, like a stretchy material on the side here, which is kind of nice. And I do like this on the sleeve. You get the nice little Canadian sleeve, little Canadian flag going on there. That I like. And I'll show you this too, because it's also really cool. Is that it fits pretty true to size. Like, I'm usually an extra large, and this is an extra large. Fits good. So this is what I love. Ready? You'll see it as I put it on. You're gonna see it because it's awesome. Is that number one? Is it has this in it automatically. So again, remember I talked about I use a buff a lot? This is a buff a lot? Yeah, it's a new thing that you get, a buff a lot. This is sweet because first off, you have the little, where am I going here? This way, right? So you get that little area there for breathing, This, of course, you can tuck up if you want, put it up of your nose. Because usually I do get, some burn in here sometimes, right? I wish that's going to protect my nose good, so that's good. I keep looking at my screen, right, just to make sure everything's kind of centered. Okay, I think that's centered enough, which is great. So if I'm riding and got my helmet on, all this kind of stuff, this should have no problem staying up or just keeping warm. Plus, it's sealed, so this isn't going to raise, especially if you're someone that wants to make sure you keep your neck a little warmer, right, and less burned, which is great. Again, it's a nice fit. And if you're off your bike and you really want to get covered, it has a hood, so you could just be like, yeah, no, I don't want any sun, no sun. And the material is really thin. If you've ever looked at like UV material, it's thin, right? So this is not going to be hot. And like I said, I feel if I had a cloak on, I could be like, Assassin's Creed guy. Like I'm full ninja there, right? Yeah. No, it's nice. And UV, right? All UV protected. It has their logo down the side. You guys can see it, right? Little logo down the side. It has a logo on the front. I don't think it has anything on the back. But, yeah. I'll probably wear this. Well, I'll probably wear this when I'm out in the sun, of course. And I don't want to be burnt. And because it's cooling, this can actually help. Because a lot of misconceptions, of course, are like, oh, I got to be less clothing. But what happens is, for a lot of us, is we burn, which makes us hotter. Two is that we end up sweating, which means that amplifies the sun on us as well. So as we can keep cool and dry, that is always going to be better, right? So then that airflow that we get from whatever actually cools us down. So that's kind of nice. So I think this will be really cool. And $40 for those of you that don't go see it in person. Just realize, like I said, it is pricey to ship, but it seems like good gear. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this because I think it's local, and I like to support local when I can. And I think I may even wear this sometimes when riding. So might be a better option than just a t-shirt. Definitely not as good an option as an armored jacket, but when it's 35 degrees, it's not happening. It's not happening. Sometimes I'll put a mesh. I have a mesh full like mesh, like a dirt bike jacket that sometimes I wear. I could either wear that over that or under this because I think it's pretty stretchy, right? So that would actually be good. All right, guys, just wanted to show it to you. That's it for me today. This is the Lakesiders eyewear. Now, that's primarily their focus is eyewear. So if you're looking for a pair of sunglasses, maybe check them out as well. Their glasses like float and stuff like that, which is kind of cool. Anyways, I'm out, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and that's it.